this is the oven test here. Just wanted to make sure that everything was working in there. I don't know if you can see this. There is the broiler, the baking element. That's the top one it's cycling on right now. Here is the controls. That's indicating that the oven is preheated and ready to go at that temperature. Bottom one, you can also hear that the fan went off. The fan's turned on. I don't have it on convect right now. Well, there's the top element. See if I can, it's hard to see. That's that element. Okay, and then open the door. There's the inside of it. That fan in the back will go on. I'm going to show you. Upper oven. Okay, there's a fan in the back. Let me stop this and hit convect. And start. And you can see the fan goes on. That's the convection fan, which makes current go through the oven so that it everything bakes evenly. Turn it off. The bottom lights, there's actually two lights inside, very bright. Most models don't have two lights. This one has two lights, and this element here is actually underneath a hidden bake tray so that no food drippings go down onto the element itself. Top element is broiling, obviously, and we'll test that soon. Bottom oven, likewise, two lights. Both the top and the bottom oven convect. Usually you don't see that on these ovens. Usually just the top one convects. That's the bottom element, which is actually very hot right now. It's hard to get a good picture of it. And the fan won't go on unless you close the door. Let me do this here. Let me hit convect. Let's stop this here. Oh yeah, the controls are for each side. That's the top controls, that's the bottom controls, time is in the middle. Shows the controls on each side of the oven, so like let's say you're cooking, it'll show you that. You have to hit start every time. Starts going through there. Anyhow, what was I going to do? Oh yeah, the bottom lights. I'm going to hit stop. And let me just do convect bake to show you the fan working in the back. Convect bake. And start. 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 So that's the fan. Stop. Now, there is 3 different settings for cleaning. So I'm going to stop everything right now. Let me stop. You can clean both ovens at the same time if you want. I'm just going to hit clean, start, and what's going to happen is it's going to lock the door so you can't open the oven. Here we go. Well, I can hit the top one or the bottom one too. Okay, no, it only lets you clean one oven at a time because it draws a lot of juice. So the door is now locked. You can't actually pull it open. Let me stop there. Again, 3 modes for the bottom clean also. Clean. Let me do this here. How do I do this? Okay, now we're going clean for the bottom. It'll go on a timer. Oh yeah, I gotta start it. It'll go on a timer. The controls are pretty intuitive, but it's hard for me to work the camera and the oven at the same time. It'll give you a warning that it's about to clean. And then once it goes into its clean mode, you can hear everything clicking. Now it's locked. So the bottom door is locked, so you can't get in there. And it'll just heat up the oven to about 900 degrees or thereabouts. Let's turn these lights off here. I don't know whether it uses the top element or the bottom element or to clean. That's unclear to me. Top element again is up on top. Let me hit stop. Okay, it takes a while for it to do its thinking. It's getting out of a clean mode. Everything's blinking, and it's going to stop here momentarily. Whoops. Okay, and when I got the oven, that bottom door right there was, the hinge wasn't right on it. I had to straighten it out because it was preventing the lights from going on, and the convection fan, preventing the convection fan from turning off or on, and the lights from going on, because if that door doesn't close right, nothing works. As you can see now, everything is in working order. I'm going to go ahead and hit broil on here. So where's my broil button? There's my broil button. Turn the light off. Hopefully we'll get the benefit of seeing the element in action. The element's up on top. Kind of had to hot wire the oven to be able to do all this. Okay, there's a better look inside. Two lights. Top element, bottom element, top element. I took the bake tray out of the bottom again just so you can see the element. There's actually 3 trays that go inside here. And that broiler element should be lighting up here pretty soon. It's hard to see. You can broil also in the top if you want. Oh, I didn't hit broil. Hang on. I forgot to hit start. Broil start. Okay. Got to hit start every time you do something here. I don't know if you can broil in both ovens at the same time or not. I don't see what the sense of doing that would be, but let me just try to hit broil. Oh, yeah, you can. Okay. So you can broil in both ovens if you want. I don't know why you would do that. Maybe you got a lot of entertaining to do or something. I'm not sure. Point of the double oven is to have 2 different temperatures, and there's a warming mode. You know, it's got everything that's listed in the listing. Okay, so these upper elements, I've already checked them out. I know they work, so just trying to get a good picture of them. There goes the bottom one. I don't know if you can see that. That element is coming up nice now. Starting to get a nice hot red out of it. Okay, I don't know if that's showing up on a video or not. That's the bottom one. And then there's the top one. Glowing nice and red. So it appears to work in all modes. Both fans work. Top and bottom elements work on both ovens. I did check the elements. They are within factory spec. There's the bottom one, and there's the top one. Top of the top one, top of the bottom oven. They are within factory spec. Again, both lights on the bottom one. So the oven is in perfect working order. It just needs a nice home. There's the overall shot. Not much of a shot. This is my storage unit where I work on stuff here. And again, dual controls, dual indication, top controls, bottom controls, timer controls right in the middle. They keep it real simple on this oven. And that concludes the test of the Frigidaire double oven.